Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a 100% natural and effective drink. You can make it easily and lose weight overnight. Belly fat is the most harmful fat in your body. This drink is very easy to prepare and has proved efficient in bringing great result in short period of time. So let's get started. We need 1 lemon. Lemon is the main ingredient which could possibly clear away all of the toxins stored in our body. 3 sprigs of mint leaves. Mint is an excellent source of nutrition and it aids the digestion process of the body and naturally stabilizes both irritable bowel syndrome and constipation. We need 1 inch of ginger. Ginger will start up the metabolism, help with constipation and also melt the excess belly fat. So first let's peel the skin of lemon and ginger. For those who have flat tummy on the mind, you must definitely include ginger in your daily diet. We are using only the leaves of the mint. Mint leaves work as an appetite suppressant. So now clean all the mint leaves, ginger and lemon with water. Cut the lemon into pieces and also the ginger into pieces. And let's transfer this into a blending jar. Now let's blend this by adding 2 glasses of warm water. Blend it thoroughly till it becomes smooth. Now it's done. Let's strain the water by using strainer. This drink is really a magical weight loss drink. Here you go, the magical drink is ready to serve. Before serving, add 1 teaspoon of honey into the glass. Honey can work as a weight loss aid by suppressing the appetite. Honey helps us to cut down the extra fat from the body and help in the weight loss faster. Now mix it well. No diet, no exercise. Drink this to melt your belly fat. Drink this juice before going to bed. Within 1 to 2 weeks, you will get to notice the changes in your belly fat. Do try and do put your comments below. Do like, do share and do subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon with more such videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.